this is Judy. Welcome to our sample room. Our factory was already established more than 14 years. We produce air conditioner, refrigerator, and washing machines. This part is our refrigerator sample. You can see this is the top mount lines. We can make from 100 to 500 liters. Defrost and low frost as optional. This line is for Iraq countries. It's an outside evaporator with different colors: yellow, silver, VCM flower. This line is for combi lines. It's hot selling in CIS countries and Europe countries with different capacities. This is the twins. Single door, you can buy two or only one. This is our multi-door lines. You can see we can make the mirror glass door and also French door, side by side, 4-door. This is our single door. Single door we can make from 40 meter to 300 liters, and also we can make the wine cooler, especially for Europe market. If you are interested in any of our products, please contact me. Thank you. Bye bye.